Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the Lowe's spring deals. So, let's dive in. To get us started, I want to show you some of these outdoor deals. We have some of these ferns right here. You can get 2 for $20 in the Lowe's limited time deals. Again, these look really nice. Also, a few more flowers and other vases and stuff like that they have set out here. So if you need anything for the garden or any succulents or anything like that, you can check some of these out. They also had a lot of their mowers on sale. For Craftsman, you can see you get to save about $150 on this one here. Pretty nice setup. That'd be really nice for the yard there. Be able to make it a little bit quicker. And then they had a little bit smaller option here. You still get to save about the same amount, $150, but not quite as big there. So again, Craftsman has a couple of different of their lawnmowers on sale. So if you need one, might as well check it out. Got some Miracle Grow soil here, 5 for $10. Pretty good deals right there on that one. We have some weed and feed. You can save $10 on that one, $49.98. Again, pretty good deal. Lawn fertilizer plus weed control. Another set here for Scott's, $25. So, need to go ahead and get that lawn back going. Got a bunch of options for you here, and even some clearance right here as well. And just a reminder, I will have a lot of these links down below, so if you're interested, you can check some of those down there. And if you do purchase them, I do get a small cut, so I really appreciate that. Another set of clearance items here. Then we also have another set for Scott's. This is the thick lawn, so more for Bermuda there. Ego has their hedge trimmer attachment down to $149. I've seen a lot of people switching over to Ego, especially with a battery operator. String trimmer attachment down to $79. So again, another clearance on that one. You get saved pretty good, especially if you're already in the Ego brand. And then they had the free battery, either one of these right here, once you purchase one of these. So if you're going to get you one, might as well do it and get you the battery as well. They also had limited time deal on some Roundup. So if you use this stuff, you can check that out as well here. Save $10 on that one. And then I did want to show you all these as well. Got the Roundup. You also have the little spray bottles for those. So kind of different setups, whichever one you might need. Again, pretty good deals on all of these items as well. So really just if it's something that you're going to use and something that you might need, definitely check it out. Then they have this little table set up here for $2.89. And then also the other one for the 4-piece. So pretty good option right there, especially if you're going to have a little outdoor seating area. It's really nice. They had a bunch of options out there. You can kind of see behind there and around there. But this one was on the Lowe's deal. Then they did have the grill on sale. You can see the clearance if you want the larger setup here for charbroil. Pretty good option right there with that one. Had the Greenworks 2100 PSI pressure washer down to $200. Also the Ego chainsaw, $350. I like that setup there. And then a little bit smaller with the 16-inch down to $219. So again, if you're interested in those. Another limited time deal. Free battery when you buy a Kobalt chainsaw. So trying to move some chainsaws here. Pretty good options for those though. A blower 4 amp kit right here for Kobalt, $130. Ego blower kit as well, down to $229. Was $270. So you get to save a little bit. It's nice on that one. And then they also have the other one right next to it on sale, down to $229. So you get to save about $30. A little bit larger option right there for that one. And then they also have the combo for $280. You get to save $50 on that combo. So again, a lot of my friends have moved over to the Ego brand. They really like it. So it's definitely a great thing to check out. They did have the impact driver here on Craftsman down to $59, $20. I mean, that is a solid deal on an impact driver and a drill driver here. I mean, if you're looking for one to get in, that's definitely one to check out. I also have the tool set here, $20 in Craftsman days. Great little tool set to keep at the house or just kind of get you going on DIY. Bosch had some pretty cool tools here. decent deals on some of these. Again, maybe not go to the store just for those, but if you're there, you can pick some of these up. DEWALT deal down to $170. Get the combo kit here. So remember that one right down below. So pretty good deal on that here. And again, it is for the combo of those two. Up top, this one is on sale as well for $100. So save some on that one as well. Get the Bosch battery with the purchase of a Bosch nailer or stapler. So if you're going to buy one, get that one. More deals right here for Kobalt. Your choice for $150. Free tool when you buy a kit. So solid deal for that. So if you need one of those, definitely a time to get you one. A couple different bit sets here with Kobalt. Grab you one, whichever one you might be interested in and might need. Also DEWALT wet dry vac, $130. 2-gallon, great thing to keep with you. $99 here for the recip saw for DEWALT. I've used this tool, it works extremely well. And then they had the Max 4 battery combo, $150. That's a great deal. And then they had the speaker here, want one of those for the job site. Also, a couple more Craftsman deals for the Craftsman days. Pretty good options for those. Craftsman's a solid brand, great DIY brand, and even useful for just a lot of people as well. But they work really well. You can see a bunch of good options with that right there. They did have the DEWALT blade set, so if you need to get that right there, pretty good option with $35. You get save $10. Free Metabo battery with the purchase of select nailers. So if you need some nailers, you can definitely check those out. See all the options that they have here. Again, Metabo has a bunch of deals for those. Pancake compressor, $100. I probably should grab me one of these just to have one. I don't even have one of these right now. Always great to keep one on hand. Kobalt, $200 for their pancake. So again, just kind of which one you might need. Also the Quiet Tech here, down to $269. Then they have this other DEWALT compressor for $29 as well. So again, really depends on what you might need it for and what you're going to be doing. If it's small stuff, these are definitely great options for those. Then they did have this 189 piece set for $150, 230 piece down to $99 there. Again, more Craftsman deals. Definitely like their stuff. Gonna last you a long time. And then Kobalt had their toolbox $229. I think it's a good rolling cart toolbox deal right there, especially for Kobalt. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on at your local Lowe's. I will have links for these items down below. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.